start with our Campari, 30 mils, straight into our mixing glass. Next, I like to use a London dry gin. Lastly, we'll use our Woodstock Old Fortified Tawny Style, 30 mils, so equal parts of each. So what the Old Fortified does, it really cuts through the bitterness of the Campari with the flavours of fig and cinnamon. Nice. And here I like to stir for about 10 seconds, so this chills the drink, helps to dilute it. We like to use the large ice cubes as it creates a lot of surface area on the liquid. Into our glass with an ice cube. I like to garnish with a orange zest. I do it around the outside because it leaves sort of the zesty juices along the outside, creating a bit more of a complex, another element to the drink. Here we have the Woodstock Tawny Negroni.